Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter, that is area and perimeter. So first thing, we are going to use rectangle and square. So here this is our rectangle and this is a square. The side, one side I am taking as breadth and another side I am taking as length. So rectangle area is length times breadth. And if I am taking the perimeter, perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. This is the formula. Perimeter is basically the boundary. Here the boundary, how much long is the boundary, you calculate it with using perimeter formula. Then we come on next. Next is your square. A square is side into side. Here in a square all the 4 sides are equal, so if you need to calculate area, so we will multiply side into side. Then perimeter of the square, we have 4 sides, so just 4 times into side, that is perimeter of the square. Now using this we will solve the problems. So here our first problem is Nagma runs around a rectangular park 180 meter long and 120 meter wide at the rate of 7.5 kilometers per hour. In how much time will she complete 5 rounds? Now she is running at the boundary. So first thing we need to calculate the perimeter. So in one round the distance she will cover will be equal to the perimeter of the park, and you know the perimeter formula is 2 length plus breadth. So here the length is given 180 and the breadth is given 120. So in place of length I will keep 180 and in place of breadth I will keep 120. So here the perimeter will be 2 times 180 plus 120, or calculating it we will get perimeter 600 meter. Now she is running 5 rounds. So in 5 rounds the distance which she will cover will be 5 into 600, that is 300 meters. Now because this rate is given in kilometers, so I need to convert this meter into kilometer. So to convert this into kilometer, just I need to remove 3 zeros from the last, so that will be 3 kilometers. Now this is the distance and this is the speed. You know that time we can calculate by distance upon speed. So distance is 3 and speed is 7.5, or I can write 1 upon 2.5 hours. I have cancelled out with 3. Now this hour I can convert it into minutes by multiplying it with 60. So here I am multiplying with 60. Now I will get 24 minutes. So she is taking 24 minutes to complete the 5 rounds. Okay, now let's move on to next question. So the next question is the perimeter of a rectangular field is 151 meter. Perimeter is already given and its breadth is given. We need to find out its length and area. So first thing, perimeter is given, so we will use the formula of perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now in place of perimeter I will write 151 and in place of breadth I will write 32. So here I will get this. In place of length I am using only L here. Now 2 is multiplied in the bracket, so I will get 151 equals to 2L plus 64. Now this 64 is added this side, so on other side it will be subtracted. So 151 minus 64 equals to 2L, or I can write 151 minus 64 is 87, so 2L is equal to 87, or L can be written as 87 upon 2, that is 43.5 meters. So this is the length. Now we need to find out the area. Area is length into breadth. Length is 43.5 and breadth is already given, that is 32. So here I will multiply 32 into 43.5 and that is 1392 meters square is the area. Okay. Now we move on to next question. The area of a square park is same as that of a rectangular park. If the side of a square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. Now area of a square park is equal to the area of the rectangular park, and a square park side is given. So let us find out the area of the square park. So side of the square park is 60. Now we can calculate the area. Area is side into side, so area of the square park will be 3600, because area of a square park and rectangular park is same. So in place of rectangular park area also I can write 3600, and rectangular park area will be length into breadth. Breadth is already given, your 90 meters. Length is already given 90 meters. We need to find out the breadth. So I can write 90 into breadth. 90 into breadth is equal to 3600, or 90 can be divided on other side. So breadth will be 3600 upon 90, that is 40 meters. Okay. Now we move on to next question. Here the question is, the door of a breadth 1 meter and height 2 meters fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the height of the wall is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is 20 per meter square. So here, see, whenever you are whitewashing, you leave the door and you whitewash the wall only. So here, what I need to do, I will subtract the area of door from the area of wall, and that area what we need to whitewash. So here, first thing, we need to find out the area of the wall. Area of the wall will be length into breadth. So length is given 4.5 and breadth is given 3.6. Multiplying, I will get 16.2. Now area of the door I need to find out. So area of the door is 1 into 2 meter square. So now the portion which we need to whitewash, I need to subtract both of them. So subtracting, I will get 14.2 meter square. Now the cost is already given 20 per meter square. So this area will be multiplied with the cost to get the total cost. So cost of whitewashing will be 14.2 into 20, that is 284 rupees you need to invest for whitewashing. Okay. Now next question. Here it is given two crossroads, each of width 5 meter, runs at right angle through the center of the rectangular park of length 70 meter and breadth is 45 meters and parallel to its side. Find the area. So you can see that we have two crossroads. I have made these two crossroads, one with the light green color and one with the yellow color. Now the width of the crossroad is 5 meters. So here also I have taken 5 meter. The length of the rectangular park is 70 and the breadth is 45 meter. So we need to find out the cost for constructing these green and yellow crossroad. So first thing, I need to find out the area of the green and yellow part. So yellow part area will be, see, yellow part length is 70 and breadth is 5. So yellow part will be, area will be 70 into 5, that is 350. Now I need green part. Green part from here to here you have 45 meter and this is your 5 meter. So area of this green part will be 225 meter square. Now you can see when we are adding this yellow and green part, this middle part is added 2 times, one with the yellow part and one with the green part. So I need to subtract this part once. So because we need only once, so I will subtract 5 into 5. This width is also 5 and this length is also 5. So I need to subtract this. So resultant area, your total area will be 350 plus 225 minus 5 into 5, that is 575 minus 25, or I can write 550 meter square. So this is the total area which we need to construct. Now the cost is 105 rupees per meter square. So I need to multiply this with 105. So cost of constructing will be 550 into 105, that is your 57,750 rupees you need to invest. We have the question here, find the cost of flooring a room 6.5 by 5 meter with a square tile of side 25 centimeter at the rate of 9.40 per tile. Now here first thing, this is given in meter. I need to convert it into centimeter because the square tile is also given in centimeter. So we need a same unit. So first thing, length of the floor is given 6.5 meter. Converting in centimeter, you know that we need to multiply with 100 and you will get 650 centimeter. Now here the breadth is given your 5 meter. 5 meter can be written as 500 centimeter. Okay. Now we can find out the area. To find out the area, I need to multiply length into breadth. So area will be this much. Okay. Now area of the square tile also I need, because I need the number of tiles. So square tile area will be side into side, that is 25 into 25. We know that number of tiles is equal to area of the floor upon area of the tile. So area of the floor and area of the tile we have calculated. Now we can cancel out. 25 can be cancelled out with 500, and then you will just solving it, you will get 520. So 520 tiles is needed for the floor, and one tile rate is 9.40. So the total cost will be 520 into 9.40, that is 4,888 rupees will be needed to make the floor. Now next thing, the area of a rectangular plot is given this much and its length is 15% more than its breadth. So find the perimeter of the plot. Now here it's more than its breadth, so let us consider that its breadth is x. Now length will be 15% more than its breadth, so x plus 15% of x it will be. Or solving it, 15% can be written as 15 upon 100. Now taking the LCM, 100 will come and you will get 100x plus 15x, that is 115x upon 100. So this is the length. Now area is given, so we know that the area formula is length into breadth. So in place of area I will write 460, in place of length I will write 115x upon 100, and in place of x breadth I will write x. Now I can just cross multiply this. 100 is multiplied with 460 and 115 is divided here, and x times x is x square. So from here you can write x square is equal to this much. Now solving this, you will get x square as 400. 400 can be written as 20 into 20, that is 20 square. So x will be your 20 meters. Now 20 meter is the breadth. I need to find out the length. So what I will do, I will just multiply here 115, because length was given 115x upon 100. So in place of x I am writing 20, and solving this I will get 23 meters. So this is the length. Now I need to find out the perimeter. So perimeter formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Length is 20 and breadth is 23. Solving this I will get 86 meters is your perimeter.